Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the text slicer visual in the Power BI desktop tool. This feature enables you to filter visuals based on text values in tables, charts, and more. If you're working with a sales dashboard and need to filter a large dataset by specific product categories or regions, the text slicer allows you to do exactly that. Let's get started. Starting from our Power BI desktop tool, we'll first make sure that the text slicer is enabled. If you have the latest version of Power BI, it should already be enabled for you. But if you don't see it, follow these steps. First, click on File, Options and Settings, and then select Options. From here, we'll select Preview Features, scroll down, and make sure the text slicer visual is checked. Then, we'll click on OK. Next, we'll click on the text slicer visual here. We can then select the data that we want to filter by clicking the checkmark box, or we can drag and drop it into the text slicer visual. After that, we'll click here to format our visual, select slicer settings, and enable accept multiple values. Inside of our text slicer, since we've chosen performance category, we can now filter by that specific column. Let's type in average and then click enter. You will see in real time that the visual has filtered our selection based on what we typed in. And since we enabled multiple values, we can type in another selection. We'll type in good, hit enter, and we can see both selections filtered in the visual. In case you ever need to get rid of a filtered selection, simply click on the X button here to remove it. And that's it! You've successfully set up and used the text slicer visual in Power BI desktop. Now you can easily filter your visuals based on text values, making it simpler to analyze and present your data. Thank you for watching this video on the BI Quick Tips series. For more information on BI, please visit our Help Files website. Until next time.